I built ICT's open range breakout strategy into an algorithm, and these are the exact rules I used. First, we had to find the session. So what I've done here is had a modified variable find the London high and the London low between 10 and 10:30. I save both of those highs and lows, and I'll use them later. I also draw some lines on the charts showing where the highs and the lows are marked. I also have the heights and the high and low marked on the chart with an ugly comment here, which means it just shows that it's better representation on the chart. And I reset here a bunch of gates. So what these do is it allows this set of blocks here to happen first, then this, then finally this. So in order to make sure that the strategy is rules to be met, then executing, then waiting for the next rules to be met, then executing. It makes the system make sense, essentially. So these are just gates. And then down here we have for each object, because I drew 2 lines previously, we need to delete that so that our charts aren't cluttered by several lines up and down the chart. But let's get into the strategy. Sell side range breakout. So we're looking for firstly the gate to be 0 because it's the first stage of the strategy. We want a candle high of 1 below the London low. So we're looking for that initial breakout, as well as for the buy sides we want that low to be above the candle high, so an actual breakout of that range low or high. Once that's been done, we can draw our arrows showing that that stage is completed, and then we close our gates so that once this gate is closed, these gates can now open. So we're looking for that candle high then to cross above the London low. So we're looking for that breakout, that break up above, but we want it to close back down below, so it's just rejecting that London high or London low from that session. Once that happens, we have our candle high close below that London low, so that nice rejection, and we mark that also with a sell arrow and a buy arrow, and we close this gate off, which opens up the third and final gate and allows for maximum trade. So we only want to take 1 trade per day for this setup, just so we're not over trading. Our buy and sell gate, after this previous gate here was closed, these ones are now open, and we can buy and sell for that strategy. And then we close our gates at the end of that, and then we change our trades per day to 1 so that we can't continue. This won't execute because trades need to be 0. We change that down to 1, so we can only have 1 trade per day. With our top set of blocks here, we reset this trades per day back to 0, so this system can run over and over again once per day to avoid overtrading. Up in the top left here, we have our London high and London low. Our pink lines here also storing that London high and London low price range.